Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to delete recent call history in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to this call button, that is dialer, and here go to recents, and here click on these three vertical dots, and here click on delete and select the call from the list. Okay, if you can select one or more calls or all calls. Okay, if you click on all calls can be deleted. Okay, see here, if you click on all calls can be deleted. Okay, you can click on delete all. Okay, or if you would like to delete some particular calls only, then you can select those calls, and those calls will only be deleted from the recent call history. Okay, click on delete button here, and they will be deleted. Okay, so in this way you can easily delete recent call history in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.